Hi everybody, I've had a query about the 2017 NCEA Level 2 Waves paper, question 3B Subdivision 1. So this is the 91170. So the question looks like this. So that's what the question is. So it says the waves move from deep water into shallow water. On the diagram below, draw the refracted waves in shallow water. So I've kind of replicated the diagram on my whiteboard and I'll talk you through how to draw this. So the dotted line indicates the boundary between deep and shallow. The blue lines are the wavefronts, and the distance from one blue line to the other is a wavelength. The red line indicates the direction in which the waves are moving. Okay, so there are a couple of things you need. You need a ruler. So the first thing that I do is I'm going to translate the direction in which the waves are moving to some point over here, which is along the dotted line, and the direction in which the waves are moving is always at right angles to the wavefronts. Okay, then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the normal. So this is my incident ray. Now the normal is drawn at 90 degrees to the boundary. So this green line is my normal, okay, and it's at 90 degrees to the boundary. This is how, just like how you did ray diagrams for light. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is so that's my incident ray. When it goes into a different medium, the speed is going to change. Now waves travel slower in shallow water. S for shallow, S for slow. If it's not indicated in the question, that's what happens. So when they travel slower, it's going to go, the refracted ray, instead of going like this, is going to come closer to the normal. So the angle of refraction is always smaller than the angle of incidence. That one's bigger, this one is smaller. Okay, so this is half the battle won. Then the next thing we have to do is draw the refracted wavefronts. Now the wavefront is always at right angles to the ray, the direction in which the wave is traveling. So the next thing that I do is I'm going to put my ruler in this way so that these graduations on the ruler, it's in line with the red line. So that means the edge of the ruler is perpendicular to this. And then you move it up so that it is one blue line touches the next blue line. And then if I just kind of draw this parallel. So you see that this wavelength is less than that and the wave's bent. So this is how you do that question. I hope that made sense. Bye for now.